Greetings all. Today, we'll be talking about inverse functions. What is inverse functions? It is a function that reverses another function. In simple words, if any function f takes x to y, then the inverse of f will take y to x. Then, let us start. Examples would be fx equals to x minus 7. Fx equals to x minus 7. First thing you need to do is replace fx with y. Y equals to x minus 7. Switch y and x. After that, we will move the negative 7. X plus 7 equals 2y. Then, we need to isolate the y, so we will divide both by 2. 2 and 2, then cross out. And the answer would be x plus 7 over 2 equals y. Then, we will denote the inverse as gx. gx equals x plus 7 over 2. And this would be the answer. Fx square root x plus 2 minus 5. Use the same process. Replace fx with y. Then switch x with y. X equals y plus 2 minus 5. We need to get rid, and after that, let's solve for y. So move the negative 5. X plus 5 equals y plus 2. We need to get rid of the square root, but how? Take the square root of both sides. X plus 5 squared equals y plus 2 squared. Then, which is basically x plus 5 times x plus 5 equals y plus 2. Cancel the square root, and the square root you get y plus 2. Then, we use FOIL method. First, outer, inner, and last. Which is x squared plus 5x plus 5x plus 25 equals y plus 2. Then we combine like terms. X squared plus 5x plus 5x, which is 10x, plus 25 equals y plus 2. Then subtract both sides by 2. Negative 2. And then cross out. x squared plus 10x plus 23 equals y. So, the answer would be gx equals x squared plus 10x plus 23. Third example. Fx equals 5x minus 9. And again, change fx to y. Then switch y to x. X equals 5y minus 9. And we will divide it by 5. Let's first move the negative 9 to x. X plus 9 equals 5y. Then divide it by 5. 5, then cross out. X plus 9 over 5 equals y. Then we will change this to gx. Gx equals x plus 9 over 5. How to check if your answer is correct? Here's our answer earlier. Gx equals x plus 9 over 5. And to check if it is correct, we'll use f circle g x. And then equals 5x minus 9. Then copy the given. Again, f circle g x equals 5 x plus 9 over 5 minus 9. And this is your answer earlier. X plus 9 over 5. Then cross out 5. And we will remove the parentheses. Then solve positive 9 and negative 9, which is f circle g x equals x. And here's our answer, x. Then how about g circle f? G circle f. Then put your answer. G circle f equals x plus 9 over 5. And put the given G circle f x Then, after that, we will remove the parentheses. Then solve for negative 9 plus 9, which is g equals 5x over 5. Then cancel 5, circle f x equals x. If both have x, then your answer is correct. Correct? Correct. It is always positive x and never negative x. If your both check solution is negative x, then you are wrong. Your answer is wrong. Therefore, x plus 9 over 5 is correct. Next, we will be solving if the pair of functions are inverse or not. Fx then gx square root. We will be solving these examples if the pair of functions are inverse or not. So first, let's solve the fx. F squared plus 5. Then, replace x squared with x minus 5 and then cancel. Then, remove the parentheses. X minus 5 plus 5, which is negative 5 plus 5 is 0. So the answer would be x. Then the gx. G Then here, we will replace x minus 5 with x squared plus 5, and then it will be which is 5 and negative 5 is equals to 0. That leaves x squared and cancel square and square root. Cancel and cancel. So our answer will be x. Therefore, fx x squared plus 5 equals x squared plus 5 and gx equals square root of x minus 5 are inverse to each other. Because if both are x and x, then it is an inverse pair. And let's go for our last example. Fx equals 3x squared minus 12 and gx square root of x minus 12 over 3. Let's solve the fx first. Again, f gx and here f equals 3 square root of x minus 12 over 3 squared minus 12. Then change x from f 2 square root of x minus 12 over 3. Ulit. Then here, we will cancel square root and square root. And here, we will cancel again 3. X minus 12. Then solve negative 12 and negative 12, which equals to negative 24. So our answer would be x equals negative 24. Then gx, g over 3. Then cancel the squared and the square root, which leads to g then cancel again 3 and 3, that is g fx x equals negative 24. So this will be our answer, which is wrong. Both are x equals negative 24. Therefore, the pair or our example number 5 are not inverses of each other. And that is all for inverse functions. You can solve any of these problems as long as you know the basic steps. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn a lot in this video.